MLC SPG Demo Kit. Just a quick intro, and I'll come out with another video cleaned up. So there we got the demo kit. We've got 3 controls here. We've got the speed, forward and reverse to turn the conveyor on if you wanted to manually turn it on and off, but the idea is to let the light curtains do this work. So on boot up, you get the indicator lights on the receiver. So this thing is ready to be reset, and as soon as you reset it, as long as this button here is on, the conveyor will start running. If you put one of our little pallet props and it passes the curtain, the SR4 relay will disconnect the power to the conveyor, stop everything before somebody enters into a dangerous area or whatever. So obviously this is not what a logistics company or any customer who's using our SPGs want. They want this pallet to go through without the light curtains tripping the relay and stopping the process. So I'm going to take this back out here, I'm going to reset it, and this time I'm going to press the SPG input signal and safely initiate the muting sequence. And you'll see on the, let me slow down the motor a little bit. I'll do this in slow-mo for you guys. So I put the pallet on. As it approaches, the PLC, which is this button, is going to activate. Muting will start, and then I'll deactivate it, and everything will continue. The conveyor will not stop because we've muted the light curtains, and the OSSDs remained on through this process. All right, so you've got a little pallet. You can do 2 pallets, mute. Both pallets go through, and the process continues. You do a pallet and mute it, and then turn it off, and somebody's riding the conveyor after. Oh, nope, not safe, stops the process. Okay, quick update. Let me see if I can give you guys a little bit of a better view. We've got the 2 buttons, the relay, conveyor, and then the power supply over here. The black button is the SPG muting signal, and the blue button is your reset signal, and then our SR4B.